It's very, very flexible, easy to customers to incorporate a wide range of parts onto effectively what's the standard system.
This type of machine can reduce your initial investment by 25%, and your productivity gains could be massive for the right applications. On this particular application, they're machining 4 automotive components with a trunnion style setup.
Let's focus on the main ones. First of all, twisted end face, the curved end front faces. They make a smooth cut, less friction, less cutting forces. Very beneficial for everything that has a side axis movement, like drilling, like helical interpolation, like ramping, with unlimited angles, where you really got a lot of more tool life at higher productivity.
Yes, with this new generation, ROMI decided to do something that is more modular, so we can offer now for the customer much more possibilities, because in the same machine we have many different configurations. So with the same casting, we can put a machine that's only turning, or a machine with milling, Y-axis, sub-spindle.
Twin turret, twin spindle machine with 38mm bar capacity, double Y-axis. Machine is a very fast machine and very compact. Footprint is very interesting, and but for the size of the machine, it's a very, very rigid and fast machine.
Yeah, first of all, you have to take out the sediments in the water, the bigger parts in the water. This is with mechanical filtration, but the deionization is one step more, to take out the smallest parts in the water.
Phil, is the part being manufactured? That's brilliant, thank you very much. So there you have it. It looks like a screwdriver. You've got the connection, it's been broached, turned, milled. This is absolutely beautiful. And it's been personalised with the name of MTDCNC.
It's every one of the machines on demonstration today. There's 11 machines. You can get a new machine, same model, at X demo pricing. But you have to take the machine by the 31st of October.
Now, just to also illustrate the speed of the machine and the cutting capability of this machine, that part there, would you believe, has been machined from solid in less than an hour. That's how fast this machine is.
Scotland in the past has been oil and gas, a lot of electronics and that kind of thing, small aluminium components, but they embrace technology exactly the same as anywhere else in the UK, anywhere else in the world, in fact. But what we want to do here at the AFRC is to be local to Scottish manufacturing and make sure that, particularly in the oil and gas, where it is coming back slowly but surely, that there is a competitive edge for the manufacturing companies in Scotland.
We're going to be streaming live from here, Iscar Cutting Tools. They're hosting a 2-day event all about machining techniques and machining strategies.
So 4-jaw, independent chuck, you do the box jaws for it as well?
Box jaws for those T-slots as well. Anyway, up to about 3 metres, easy.